Hi, I'm Susan Stenberg Wilson, and I've been coming here since I was a little girl in the early 70s with my grandpa. And we've always been able to come here and find the things that we need. You go down every aisle and you always find something a little different. Compared to the big box stores, you've got somebody right here that always knows something, a little something about everything. And I've been coming here to either get my keys made, to find garage sale signs, or like I came in today to find some landscaping supplies. So every time I turn the corner, there's something different. You can come here and find knives, blue jeans, hammers, to landscaping supplies and rakes, to hunting gear. So that's why I'm here today.